Welcome. This is my first video. I'm going to be documenting my journey from a paper trader to a live trader on futures. Right now I'm looking at NQ, which is the NASDAQ, and I'm looking for an entry here. I really like this upward momentum that we have, and so I've marked out some supply and demand levels. I'm going to place bracket order. So my take profit is going to be 6 points, which is 24 ticks. My stop loss is going to be 4 points, which is 16 ticks. And I will buy into this movement right here. I wanted to document my journey on paper trading. I think on my paper trading here, so you can maybe learn a little bit about my thought process. As you can see, I'm just trying this for the video's sake. In the active trader tab in ThinkorSwim, you can actively manage your take profit levels by dragging them, or your stop loss levels. And so it's very easy. I'm actually going to be starting to use NinjaTrader because they have less margin requirements. But I entered this trade because I actually wanted to enter down here, but I messed up on my recording. I like the trend. So on the 1 minute, we have a nice trend upwards. It hasn't broken the trend line. 5 minute, we have a nice trend after these manipulation bars down here. And on the 15 minute, it looks really good. So right now, I just hit my take profit. So that was a quick 360 paper money profit. I should have, if I wasn't talking, I'm not used to recording these videos, but I like the movement, so I probably would have been dragging my take profit level up a little more because I think we're going to run back up to about this 368, 370 level. There's really no resistance that we've seen in what I call the pre-market for futures, even though there's not really a pre-market. But let's see if that trade thesis would have played out here, because we have really nice movement. But I hope you can learn more following my journey here, and you'll hopefully see me mature as a trader. My background, I've been trading for about 10 years, stocks, penny stocks, you name it, gambling on options without understanding the Greeks, selling cash secured puts, covered calls, obviously success and losses in their own ways on all of those. But futures really intrigue me because they respect, at least from what I can tell so far, I've only been paper trading futures for about 2 weeks now. They respect technicals. And if you really understand technical analysis, and it doesn't have to be hardcore looking at, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci levels, and whatever else people look at. I simply look at highs and lows, resistance and support levels, trend lines, and overall market sentiment. And so when you see some upward momentum like this, especially after the PPI minutes or meeting or whatever, you can clearly see that since 8:30 in the morning, we've been on this slight uptrend. So I feel very confident entering a long trade, upwards to this high, because that when you reach this high, it's going to act as a very strong resistance level. And so you'll need to see confirmations at that point of a breakout to the upside. But right now, I'd say we're in this range between that 18,370 level and 18,300 level. And so what I'm going to expect here, because the market always acts as a rubber band, we're probably going to see this run back down a little bit, maybe down to this 343 level, could come back all the way down here, and then we just see kind of a range day, chop day. But as swing traders or scalpers, we can easily capture a couple $100 profit on good entries. And so, some of you might trade trends and, enter positions here and hold through all this. Some of us might do what I just did and quick in and out. And it's really what accommodates your personality or the way that you like to trade. And so whatever's working for me might not work for you. What works for you might not work for me. And trust me, I've tried lots of different things, and I've really simplified my trading strategy down quite a bit. And so I'll record more videos of me paper trading on my journey to live trading. And I think when I begin a live trading account, I'll probably start with like $2,000 or $3,000, and we'll do a challenge and see how fast I can get upwards to 10K or grow that account to 10K. I'm fairly confident right now with my abilities to trade NQ and ES, and I'm not really sure what I'll start off with, but stay tuned and you'll find out. I think I'll probably try to go live here within the next week or so. But in the meantime, I'll keep recording some of these paper trades for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.